Hi guys, this is Jov at pag-uusapan natin what is network marketing. Kasi right at this moment, andito ako sa industry na to. I've been doing this business for 3 years. And you know what? Pag sinabing network marketing dito sa Pilipinas, meron na tayong tunog na parang ganyan eh. Pero I am very wise not to judge on things na hindi ko pa nakita. Kaya inaral ko tong network marketing, talagang tiningnan ko paano to siya gagawin. And nagkaroon ako ng wide na understanding with the system na ginagawa ng bawat industry. It's really a form of network marketing kahit saan ka makakakita, no? So, pag-usapan natin what is network marketing. Network marketing is distribution of services or products from person to person na sales. Meaning to say, kung dati-rate, ang setup ho ay may produkto na advertised yan sa malaking market, binabayaran yung mga celebrity or binabayaran yung mga influencer, binabayaran yung mga malalaking tao to advertise the products. But in network marketing, ang ginagawa ho, wala pong binabayarang artista. It's because this is a direct person to person na sales. Meaning to say, ako mismo gumagamit ng products, ako mismo gumagamit ng mga services, and then based sa kung ano yung experience ko and benefit ng mga products na yan, ako na yung nagmamarket sa tao. And dahil sa ako yung nagmamarket sa tao, sa akin pumapasok yung compensation plan. Bawat network marketing company yan, iba't ibang marketing plan. Yung iba, merong direct na commission from a package na madidistribute. Meron namang iba, parang group commission kapag ka may benta yung buong grupo. So for 3 years of doing this business, sobrang ganda ho ng network. Sobrang ganda ng business model pag sinasabing network marketing. Bakit? Kasi if you will start a business, according to Robert Kiyosaki, nabasa ko sa isang book niya, mabilis lang daw kumita sa tatlong bagay. Ang first, it's you do franchising. Hanap ka ng merong products, merong services, meron ng tools na nag-i-exist, pero masyadong mahal ang franchising kasi mano-mano ka niyan. Ikaw magmamarket niyan, ikaw maghahanap ng ways paano mag-expand yan. Pangalawa, you do corporation. Establish ka ng own business na malaki talaga na korporasyon. Pangatlo, para makastart ka na mas mabilis sa isang negosyo na lesser ang capital, may sistema, may support system, may tools at mabilis yung pacing ng finances mo, do network marketing. And you know what? For 3 years of doing network, right now ho, dito tayo nakabili ng sasakyan, dito tayo nakalipat sa isang magandang subdivision, sa isang magandang bahay. Right now, kumikita tayo ng 100,000 to 400,000 every single month. And network marketing is a legit framework of business. Even US, no? Tayo lang sa Pilipinas ang medyo delay ng adaptation pagdating sa network. But in US, in first world country, network marketing is widely accepted. Meron talagang legal frame yung network marketing. And ours naman here dito sa Philippines, meron naman tayong mga legal framework for that. Kaya network marketing is really a good business you can start. Na to tell you, this is also a unit course in LaSalle na rin. So sobrang ganda ng network. And yun lamang po, kaya sa lahat ng mga hindi pa part ng Elites Empire or nagnanais na gusto malaman paano ang network, paano gagawin, or someone na may experiences na sa network na hindi kagandahan, then try to venture out. Tingnan mo lang yung system, tingnan mo lang yung grupo na sasalihan mo rin.